Hello and welcome to Sounds English with me, Betty. Today's phrase is put off. Put off. To put off. It means to postpone or delay an event, thing or meeting. To change the time and date of an event and move it to a date in the future. For example, the football match that should start at 3 o'clock today has been put off until tomorrow because of the rain. Pronunciation is put off. To put off. The vowel sounds are and ah. Put off. Put off. Shall we put it off till tomorrow? We have put it off until next week. Put off. Please note, this is one meaning of put off. As in every English word, phrase or expression, there are many meanings depending on the context. So, thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd be delighted if you liked it and subscribed to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section under the video, and I will see you here every day for an English word, phrase or expression, its pronunciation, its meaning and its context. Thank you. Bye bye.